Welcome to my Just Learn on YouTube channel. Why? English Workshop. My English Book 8. Before watching this video, please subscribe and click on bell icon button to show quick notification of new video. Question number 1. Read the poem, discuss and complete the following blanks with proper action word or verb. Answer: wood swim, marble sink, stars shine, winds blow, sun sink, flowers die, ice melt, ocean ebbs, fish have gills, rain falls, bees sting, spiders eat, seeds get into, coal burn, steam comes, boys cannot fly, pop gun pop, clouds cross. Discuss in pairs and write the rhyming pairs of words from the poem. Answer: why buy, sink drink, sky die, nose flows, fly sky, stone bone, flies rise, try why. Question number 3. Why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why buy and buy. In these two lines, the words why is repeated, so it is a figure of speech called repetition. Now, find out the lines from the poem which show repetitions. Answer: 1. Why this, why that, why then, why now. Number 2. Why not, why buy and buy. Number 3. Why stars should shine and winds should blow. Number 4. Why pop guns should go pop. Question number 4. Complete the wave diagram. Answer: the little boy wants to know why stars shine at night, why winds blow, why wood swims, why lead and marble sinks, why we eat and drink, why the fish have gills, why spiders eat flies, why the pop guns pop. Question number 5. Complete the following blanks from the poem. Pair activity. Words from the poem related to environment. Stars, clouds, rain, wind, hills, sun, and the words from the poem related to animals, fruits or insects. That is spider, fish, boy, bees, apple, and flies. Question number 6. Imagine a senior student from your school has won a national level quiz contest. Frame 8 to 10 interviews questions that you would ask when you interview him or her at the school assembly about the achievement. Answer: number 1. Congratulations for your great success. How do you feel after winning such a contest? Number 2. Have you received such a recognition before? Please give details. Number 3. Who has inspired you to take part in such a quiz contest? Number 4. What were the reaction of your family to this achievement? Number 5. Who else would you give credit of your success? Number 6. How did you prepare for this quiz? Number 7. What is your plan for the future? Number 8. Which book did you refer for this contest? Number 9. Who helped you to make your dream come true? Number 10. What is the role of your skill in your achievement? Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.